Here goes Karen. Asa tart ba? Sama na. Here's Karen doing her homework and that girl pointing me something. So awesome, Tart. Awesome. Smile.
No tart.
Asa ba? Asa ba? Where? Bungaran niyo to in the future. New lovers.
Nasa yung private plane.
Hey, JC Chin, so pretty.
Ayaw.
Karen Bacchus doing her project.
Ayaw ko rin pa doon.
Bial alikaba nagmaoy. You okay, ta, Yabi? Are you fine? Or is there something wrong with you? Okay, good. Bye.